everyone, welcome back to Tasty Curry Heaven. Today we will be making hummus and falafel. For this recipe, we will need 2 cups of boiled or canned chickpeas, half a cup of sesame seeds, half cup olive oil, salt to taste, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, and lime juice. We will first begin by blending all our ingredients together. 2 cups of boiled or canned chickpeas, lime juice, salt to taste, sesame seeds, and garlic cloves. Then we will add olive oil and blend everything together. Our hummus is now ready. We will pour it into a container, add some olive oil and refrigerate it until our falafel is ready. Now we will start making our falafel. For that, I have already washed and soaked 2 cups of chickpeas for 8 hours. 1 tablespoon cayenne pepper, 3 to 4 green chilies, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 medium onion, salt 1 tablespoon, half a cup of gram flour, half a cup of coriander and parsley leaves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 6 garlic cloves, and 1 teaspoon baking soda. In a blender, we will add chickpeas, water, coriander leaves, parsley leaves, and blend everything together. Once everything is blended, add cumin seeds, coriander seeds, onion, and garlic cloves. Then we will add baking soda, salt to taste, cayenne pepper, green chilies. Then add some olive oil, water, and we will blend everything together. Our falafel batter is now ready. We will pour it into a container. Then we will add some gram flour to this batter. Mix it really well and then add some salt to taste. Our falafel batter is now ready to fry in the oil. We will heat the oil to a medium-high flame and then check if the oil is ready by dropping a piece of batter into the oil. When the batter rises to the surface, it means that our oil is ready to fry. We will fry little balls of falafel until they are golden brown and then they will be ready. Remove the golden brown falafel onto a paper towel so that the oil will get absorbed. Our falafel is now ready to be served and enjoyed with hummus. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes every single week. Thank you for watching. Get spiced and thrive.